Good evening Europe for the second time. As you know, my name is Yeva and I'm your host for tonight's show. As you can see, I'm extremely happy because all of my favorites from the semi-final one made it to the final. If you want the same to happen for you, vote. Just as in the previous semi-final, 8 acts will perform tonight and only 4 of them will join the top 4 of the first semi-final in the grand final. Well, actually the reason why I'm smiling isn't the one I mentioned. It's because of our sponsor bank Swedbank, which transferred €1,000 only for saying this phrase. They will surely have some surprises at the end of the show. Anyway, it's about time we start the show. Let's open the door to the second semi-final, cause our first act Presto has the keys. Thank you so much for this amazing and pure performance. It was a nice closing entry. It's now time for Swedbank and their interval act. What does a bank do? Deal with money. Money, in fact, is just a bunch of numbers. 3 is also a number. Illuminati has 3 sides. Our sponsor Swedbank is here to prove that Lithuanian participation in the Origin Song Contest is Illuminati.
I don't know what the hell I'm doing here, but let me prove that Lithuania and the Origin Song Contest is illuminating. Evgenia Redko came 7th in the last edition. 7. Remember this number. Lithuania has qualified to the grand final on 4 occasions. 4. Remember this number too. What does 7 minus 4 equal to? 3. Do you know what else has 3 things? You're right, formula to calculate the pressure. Keep that in mind. Where was the last edition held? In Belgium. Laura Tesoro is a Belgian singer. She has a song called What's the Pressure? What's the pressure? 3 words. Do you know what else is 3? You guessed it. That's the Lithuanian flag. 1, 2, 3. Jurga scored 69 points 2 editions ago. That could be written as 6 times 10 plus 9. Let's get rid of the 10. Do you know what 9 minus 6 equals 2? You're right. 502. Oh, wait, no, it's actually 3. What has 3 sides? The Illuminati triangle. Boom, I just proved that Lithuania and Illuminati. Actually, what the hell I'm doing? LRT, you suck. I like pizza's interval more.
Well, that was something. Let's call it something. Don't forget that all these numbers are not important. What matters the most is your votes. See you soon.